Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily connect your Gmail to your Cloud AI. Let's begin. First, open up your favorite browser. I have Chrome right over here. Log into the account once you went to the official website, Cloud AI, and then head over here. All right, click on your profile icon, then click on settings. Here, you will have the option to go and choose connectors. Click on it. Then it will listen here various platforms where you can easily connect. For example, we have Google Drive, GitHub, and there should be an option for Gmail. Since I have used my Gmail account to create my Cloud AI, it will not show up here. But for example, if you would like to connect your Gmail, just click on connect. It will pop up a new window and just select your accounts. And then basically, once you've confirmed everything, you will go back to the screen and Gmail should now be listed over here. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.